What if you could own a classic American muscle icon for the price of a used economy car? On today's episode of Hoang Channel, we're taking a closer look at a bold and controversial build, a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette that breaks all the rules. At first glance, this Corvette looks like a time capsule from the golden age of American performance. Finished in deep Le Mans blue with matching interior, it carries all the signature design cues that made the late 60s Corvette unforgettable: aggressive curves, hidden headlights, and that unmistakable low-slung stance. But beneath the surface, this is not your typical classic. Originally, this car came equipped with a 427 cubic inch V8, but that's no longer the case. Instead, it now houses a rebuilt and significantly upgraded 454 cubic inch stroker V8, a power plant that completely transforms the personality of the car. Built by a well-known Corvette specialist, the engine reportedly has only a few hundred miles since completion, and that changes everything. From a collector's standpoint, this Corvette loses points. It's no longer numbers matching, no longer factory correct. But from a driver's perspective, it might actually be better than new. This is the kind of car that doesn't sit quietly in a garage. It demands to be driven, hard, loud, and unapologetically. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the experience becomes even more raw. There are no modern driver aids here. No traction control, no stability systems, just pure mechanical connection between man and machine. And that's exactly what makes it special. However, it's not perfect. The car has been repainted, and like many classics, it shows minor imperfections, small chips, wear, and signs of use. The interior, while period correct in style, reflects its age. This isn't a showroom queen. It's what enthusiasts would call a driver-quality car. But maybe that's the whole point. Because on Hoang Channel, we don't just look at cars as investments, we look at them as experiences. And this 1969 Corvette represents one of the most authentic driving experiences you can get from an American classic. The rumble of that big block V8, the engagement of the manual gearbox, and the raw feedback from the road. It's something modern cars simply can't replicate. So the real question becomes, do you want a perfect, untouched classic, or a machine that actually makes your heart race? This 1969 Corvette may not satisfy the purists, but for those who value performance, character, and emotion, it represents something even more important: freedom. And sometimes that's worth more than originality. If you enjoyed deep dives into unique and controversial builds like this, Hoang Channel is where passion meets perspective.